What's going on YouTube? Q back here again with another video for you. Today's video, we're about to take the GR Corolla on a back road adventure. So I'm about to take the GR Corolla, still in the same spot as the last video. Ain't going nowhere, just turned around. All this stuff wasn't here the last time I was here. That was another dealership next to the Ferrari dealership. But yeah, we're gonna take this. I'm about to compare it to the Inflator Type S on these back roads. Mile-an-hour turn. So I think this is the better back road warrior, and the Inflator is a better track car due to the gearing. This has shorter gearing, so I should be able to have more fun back there. Before we jump into today's video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell, browse the channel. Let's jump into it. Also, shout out to the Men of Culture, got Race Car Friends, Blueprint 1LE, Honey Gang 8. Go check out their channels. If you go to the featured channel section of mine, they will be the first three. Really liking the way this thing look in the sun with the mud flaps on it. And the new wrap I just got on here, if y'all haven't checked out that video, I just shot it, just wrapped it up. But, oh, wrapped it up. I made it funny. All right, there we go. But yeah, we're about to jump in here. So I got a couple of new things, like the wrap, roof wrap, spoiler, side mirrors, mud flaps, and the spoiler back here. But let's get into the whip and let's get this POV going. Need to go by the dealership soon. Maintenance required soon. Coming up on 5,000 miles already. Only like 20 miles away. I'm gonna make sure I'm in 3070. Put it on sport mode. I haven't really been driving in sport mode lately, just because I feel like from sport mode to eco mode, the acceleration feel, the engine response is like virtually the same, which is crazy. Oh my God, I didn't see that guy. How about we turn our nannies off too? No expert mode. Water to our right. Danger. Surprising to me, I feel like the Inflator is more fun back here. Maybe it's because we got traffic now, but man, I feel like the car ain't doing much of nothing back here. Need to go somewhere and stretch my legs. Nice views though. In the wintertime, I will not be back here. Hit a patch of ice, boom, swimming with the fishes. I ain't trying to be doing all of that, so I will not be back here. I almost bought a house out here too, and because of this road, I'm like, nope. All right, we back here into the curves. of traffic back here today. Guess I'm back here too late. Who are these people? This car's just way too composed back here. I need some space. What in the world? Man, I always want to go over there. Tricky. This car got so much grip, man. It's crazy. And when you're not approaching that limit, I don't know. Well, on this drive, it ain't the same, I guess. Something I'm noticing now, this steering feel is really light. Like, I normally notice it because I'm always driving this car at the limit, but when I'm not quite there, it is extremely light. So I can like do all of this stuff with a pinky. There ain't really no feedback. It's not. I need a little bit more to my handling, a little more heft. Got all the curves in the world, but my inputs ain't enough. So I guess that's where the Integra would shine. Like, the feedback is more, it's just better. This is kind of too light. And I keep my Integra in comfort mode. This don't have no dynamic steering feel. It's just what it is. What the heck was that? I guess I thought I was about to have a head-on collision. I see that. Just wrapping up driving the GR Corolla on the same roads that I took the Integra Type S. And I feel like the Integra Type S wins the battle on that one as being the more fun car. I don't know what it is, how the body rolls into it, but the Corolla, it was just like I was driving like normal back there. So that's not the place to take the GR Corolla. I need somewhere where I can stretch my legs. Like, there was no tire skidding. And as you know, like when I'm having fun in this one, you can hear the tire squealing. There was none of that when I just took it back there. But that's all I'm going to show you all today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell, browse the channel, and I'll catch y'all in the next video.